Absolutely. Let's delve into each feature and specification in even more detail. Features. 1. Powerful JBL Pro Sound. The Partybox Club 120 is equipped with JBL Pro Sound technology, which delivers an exceptional audio experience. The sound is not only powerful and loud, but also maintains clarity and dynamic range, ensuring that every note and beat is heard with precision. The deeper bass adds richness to the sound, enhancing the overall listening experience, whether you're indoors or outdoors. The Partybox Club 120 fills the space with immersive sound, making it feel like you're at a live concert. 2. Futuristic Lightshow. With its integrated Lightshow, the Partybox Club 120 transforms any space into a visually captivating party zone. The Lightshow features a variety of effects, including starry lights, cool light trails, and strobe effects, all of which are synchronized to the rhythm of your music. This creates a mesmerizing ambience that elevates the energy of your party and keeps your guests entertained for hours on end. The Futuristic Lightshow adds a touch of excitement and spectacle to your gatherings, making them truly memorable. 3. Up to 12 hours of playtime. One of the standout features of the Partybox Club 120 is its long-lasting battery life. With up to 12 hours of continuous playtime on a single charge, you can keep the party going all day and night without interruption. Additionally, the speaker features a replaceable battery, allowing you to swap it out for a fully charged one and extend your party even further. The fast charging feature provides an extra 80 minutes of playtime with just a 10-minute charge, ensuring that the music never stops, even when you're running low on battery. 4. Bluetooth connectivity. The Partybox Club 120 offers seamless Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to easily pair any Bluetooth-enabled device and stream your favorite music wirelessly. Whether you're using a smartphone, tablet, or laptop, you can quickly and effortlessly connect to the speaker and start playing your favorite tracks. This eliminates the need for cumbersome cables and gives you the freedom to control the music from anywhere within range, making it perfect for parties and gatherings. 5. Mic and guitar inputs. The inclusion of mic and guitar inputs adds versatility to the Partybox Club 120, allowing you to customize your party experience. Whether you're a musician looking to perform live or a host wanting to spice up the party with karaoke, you can easily connect microphones or guitars directly to the speaker and share your talents with your guests. This feature makes the Partybox Club 120 suitable for a wide range of events and occasions, from backyard barbecues to talent shows. 6. JBL Partybox app. The dedicated JBL Partybox app enhances your party experience by giving you greater control over the speaker's features and settings. With the app, you can access a variety of fun interactive party effects, customize the Lightshow to match your music, adjust the EQ settings to fine-tune the sound, and even DJ your own playlist. The app adds an extra layer of entertainment and customization to your gatherings, allowing you to create the perfect party atmosphere with ease. 7. Portable design. Despite its powerful performance, the Partybox Club 120 is designed with portability in mind. The folding ergonomic handle makes it easy to carry, while its splash-proof construction ensures durability, even in outdoor environments where it might be exposed to light rain or splashes. Whether you're hosting a party at home or taking the speaker on the go, you can count on it to deliver exceptional sound and lighting wherever you need it. Specifications. Output power. The Partybox Club 120 delivers an impressive output power of 160 watts, ensuring that your music is heard loud and clear, even in noisy environments. Dynamic frequency response range. With a frequency response range of 40 Hz to 20 kHz, 6 decibels. The speaker covers a wide spectrum of sound, from deep bass to crisp highs, ensuring a balanced and immersive audio experience. Charging time. With a charging time of 3.5 hours, you can quickly recharge the battery between parties to ensure uninterrupted enjoyment. The fast charging feature provides an extra 80 minutes of playtime with just a 10-minute charge, allowing you to get back to the music in no time.